and I will to introduce first myself. My name is Sonal Kumari. I am a BCA student and I am from Kolkata. Right now I am pursuing my BCA in IEM. In this video, I will to teach you to logic gates. What is logic gates and its type and its function, right? How it works. Okay, let's discuss about first logic gate. What is logic gates, right? Logic is an electronic circuit which can take one or more inputs, right? But the output will be one. Okay. Logic gates is the 5 types like AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR. Okay, this is the 5 types. OR, and NOT is the some basic gates, right? In C, this is the basic gates, and the 2 are the universal gates, right? Okay, let's discuss about first OR gate. In OR gate, A and B is the input and Y is the output. So A and B is the input and Y is the output. This is a circuit diagram of OR gate. Its expression is, the Boolean expression is Y equals to A plus B. A is the first input and B is the second input. So in both are added is equals to Y. Okay. So this is the OR gate diagram and this is the expression. Let's discuss about its truth table, right? So A and B is 2 inputs and Y is the outputs. 0 0 is first input, like A equals to 0 and B equals to 0. Then the output is Y is 0, right? In the second, 0 and 1, it's A is suppose A is 0 and B is 1, then the output is 1 because A plus B equals to Y, so 0 plus 1 equals to 1, right? Okay. The second inputs are 1 and 0. In previous, A equals to 0, B equals to 1. In this 0, so this output will be 1. Okay. And second, and the fourth is 1 and 1. A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 1, right? So its output will be 1. Okay. This is the OR gate. This is the OR gate circuit diagram, Boolean expression, and the truth table, right? And then, secondly, AND gate. Okay, A and B are the 2 inputs, right? A and B are the 2 inputs, but the output will be 1. Okay. In this diagram, this is a sign, right? In this front, it is a curve, right? Okay. Its Boolean expression is it is AND, A and B. In A plus B, it is not a plus, it is OR, A or B. Okay. In Y equals to A and B. Okay. And its truth table is suppose A equals to 0, B equals to 0, then Y equals to 0. Okay. Then secondly, 0 and 1. Suppose A equals to 0 and Y equals to 1, then the output is 0, right? Because A and B means it is the multiplication. So 0 into 1 is equals to 0, right? In this way I will to introduce, I will to teach, but you will in this point it is AND, right? Okay. Third, 1 and 0. Suppose A equals to 1, B equals to 0, then the output will be 0. Like 1 into 0 is equals to 0. Okay. Third, in NOT, it's fourth, 1 and 1. Suppose A equals to 1, B equals to 1, then the output will be 1, right? In this way. Okay, it is the circuit diagram of AND gate. it is the Boolean expression of AND gate, and it is the truth table of AND gate. Okay, NOT gate. Third is NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate is one input and the output will be also one. Okay, y is equals to a dash, right? A dash, in this Boolean expression y equals to a dash, its truth table is a and y. A is the input and y is the output. So suppose a equals to 0, then y equals to output. So y is what? Y is 1 because a dash. Okay, then suppose a equals to 1, then y equals to 0. Okay, gate, in this NOT gate, noting gate, it is also known as inverter, right? Okay, fourth, NAND gate. NAND gate are not plus and, it is the two, right? It is two gates mixed basically. A and B in bar is a Boolean expression of NAND gate. In A and B are the two inputs and NAND, and then the front of NOT means it is the NOT, right? So the output will be y. Okay, in this truth table, a, b and y, a and b are the two inputs and y is outputs, right? 0 0. Suppose a equals to 0, b equals to 0, then the output will be AND gate and the NOT gate. So it's y is out, our output is 1. Okay, then 0 and 1. Suppose a is 0 and b is 1, then the output is 1. Okay, suppose a equal to 1 and b equals to 0, then the output y equals to 1. Okay, let's fourth. Okay, let's discuss about fourth. 1 and 1. Okay, in a equals to 1 and b equals to 1, the output will be 0. Okay, and the fifth is NOR. NOR equals to not plus or, it is two mixed, right? A or B in bar. Okay, A and B in this symbol, in this way to symbolized that y equals to in this, right? It is the circuit diagram of NOR and its Boolean expression is A plus A not, A or B in bar. Okay, let's discuss about in truth table. A and B is the input and y is the output. So 0 0 is equals to 1, a equals to 0, b equals to 0, then the output is 1. Suppose a equals to 0, b equals to 1, then the output is 0, like that. Okay, so this is the truth table of NOR gate, this is the Boolean expression of NOR gate, and this is the circuit diagram of NOR gate. Okay, thank you for today's video, friends.